Salutations, light warriors of all colors, classes, and creeds. Imbolc was last week, and I have my primrose, daffodils, and hyacinth coming up for the springtime. And did you know that a lot of flowers are edible and quite scrumptious? Hmm, that's like candy. Oh, you have to like do it like a wine tasting. Really experience all the flavonoids. Yeah, primrose makes a good salad. Mixed good in your salad.